Okay, you guys, today we're gonna be trying Marie Callender plant-based beef pot pie. Okay, let's start. This how this look. And let's see. This the first one. This one just with the crust and potatoes. The potatoes that is pretty good. Right here. Like it's pretty good. I still like the plant-based chicken one better. Let me see, can I find some beef? Okay, all the negative reviews I saw on this were because of the plant-based beef. So let me try it by itself first. Yeah, I can see why they were complaining about that. It's not bad, but it's giving low quality. Like it's giving low quality, but it's not nasty. It don't really taste like nothing, to be honest with you. It don't really taste like nothing, and I do mean nothing at all. And okay, and got the carrots. Try the carrots by themselves. The carrots pretty good. Like the beef is the really the worst part of this, but it's not nasty. It just don't taste like shit. So you pretty much try everything together. But it's a pretty good pot pie. I highly recommend y'all try it. It's vegan, vegetarian. I give it a 7.5 out of 10. They should have used better beef. So I would agree with the reviews on that. It should have been better beef. But other than that, it was pretty good. And we gonna stop this video right on 3 minutes. And until next time.